Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. A big part of being efficient washing windows is using both hands. So if you're on a commercial site, especially on these commercial sites, applicator in one hand, squeegee in another hand. You see quite a few guys that are washing windows. They're washing their windows, putting their tools away each time. Using one hand, you still got another hand up here. Use this other hand. They're not benefiting by using both hands. So if you have like this here, a strip of windows, applicator in one hand, squeegee another, while you're wetting this one, you're not switching into your bucket on a belt at all. It's more efficient, you just keep going down the row. You want to make this like an assembly line. Use two hands instead of putting your tools in and out of your bucket on a belt. Use two hands, be more efficient. It's out here with the Warriors Forum.